In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Canva AI quickly and easily, so you can start using Canva's built-in AI tools without wasting time searching through menus. This is a simple process, but if you've never used Canva AI before, it can be a little confusing at first, especially if you're trying to find the right button or panel. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and how to launch it in just a few seconds. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and go to the Canva homepage. You can do this by typing Canva into your search bar or going directly to canva.com if you already know the website. Once the homepage loads, make sure you're signed in to your Canva account because the AI features may not appear properly unless you're logged in. After you're on the Canva homepage, take a look at the left side panel. Canva keeps many of its tools there and you should see an option labeled Canva AI. If you don't spot it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top and type Canva AI to find it faster. Click on Canva AI and Canva will launch your AI assistant. This is the area where you can begin using Canva's intelligent features to help generate ideas, create content, and speed up your design workflow. Depending on your account and Canva's current layout, the button may look slightly different, but the process is still the same. You start on the homepage, locate Canva AI in the left panel or search bar, and click it to open the assistant. And that's it. You've now accessed Canva AI. From here, you can explore the tools, try prompts, and see how Canva AI can help you work faster and create smarter. If this video was useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a simple tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.